Alright folks, in this video, I will be reviewing some more body cam and GoPro footage. This will be part of my often targeted series, where some people are targeted in public a lot. So in this video, I was leaving the grocery store and some guy on a bicycle came up and asked me what time it was. And at this point, I'm not even going to respond, or I'm just going to respond with nonsense. So without further ado, here's the footage.
Yeah. You have the time? You know what time it is?
Nope.
No?
What's time?
Time? You don't know?
Time?
An hour of the day?
No. I know about space, but I don't know about time. Yeah. I come from a different dimension where they only have space.
Ironically, this guy might have actually wanted to know what time it is, but at this point, I just don't care. Alright, in this next video, I was walking down the street wearing a GoPro, and this guy said something about it, which is no big deal, but it's just the way he said it was all snarky and stuff. He's like, man, look at this fool wearing a webcam. So, here's the footage.
I can't see the ones over there. Yeah, moves around, dog, you know?
Look, that guy's talking about me.
So?
Yes, that's good.
I got you.
That's good. First Amendment, I like it. You'll what? You'll take my camera? No.
Exercising my First Amendment rights to record in public. Okay, so in this video, I was walking down the street, and this guy on a bicycle said something as he was going by. If you understand what he was saying, feel free to chime in the comment section, because I think he might have been saying it in Spanish or something. So here's the footage. Heck, maybe he was on Bluetooth or something, or it was some kind of Doppler effect. But if you look at the dark grainy footage, it does kind of look like he was looking straight at me. Alright, next video. In this video, I was walking down the street, and some guy standing on the side of the sidewalk with his bicycle asked me for 50 cents. And then he tried to, I just kind of ignored him and kept walking, and then he tried to, guilt me. He's like, oh no, nice talking to you, wood. And here's the footage. What do you guys think? Was this a case of aggressive panhandling, or was he just doing that thing where they ask you for 50 cents or a cigarette just to see who you are? And then here's some body cam footage when I was on my scooter heading to Stanton, I think. And then some guy said something as he was going by. If you look at the footage, it almost looks like he has a phone up to the side of his face. It was pretty dark and grainy footage. But I looked at it closer, and it looks like he's covering his right eye or something, like he's not on a phone. So I don't know. You guys be the judge. So, what do you guys think? Am I crashing out and being paranoid? Or are people zeroing in on me? Feel free to chime in the comment section and give the video a thumbs up and subscribe. Cheers.